Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Capcut so you could edit your reels and add subtitles and your videos on TikTok. So first and foremost, let's just open the app right now. And once you open the app, I'm going to need you to select new project. And on the new project here, you select a video that you like. Go ahead and add. Now that you have the video that you like to edit, all you have to do is right now select this one that says text. Select this one and click this one right here, and there you have it. You could put whatever it is you like right here, like test. So once you type it in, you could just edit wherever you want to put it. You just navigate it, put it here, wherever. You could prolong by pressing this one over here, and then click here to save. So that's it. Here's your video right here with the subtitles. So I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.